Hello, Bobcats. This is Mrs. Donahue. Welcome to 2021's Winter Honors Award Assembly. Each year, we honor students who work really hard in school and have grades that reflect it. We are really proud of all of the hard work our students this semester or last semester put into their online and virtual learning. Many students found that this was a very, very difficult time, but we found that many of you adjusted really well, and today we are here to honor you. Each year during our honors assembly, we honor students in 3 different categories. The first category we honor students within is our honor roll category. These students receive grades of a 3.0 to a 3.49. Next, we honor students who received a 3.5 to a 3.99, and that's our Principals Award. And students who received a 4.0, which means all A's, receive a Superintendent's Award. Here today to help announce all of our students in these 3 categories is Mr. Badillo.
8th grade first semester honor roll. Honor roll 3.0 to 3.49. Haley Avergo, Jaylee Adams, Juliana Aguilar, Marco Barrera Ruelas, Emily Blen, Alina Cabrera Jarquin, Manuel Castro, Sofia Chiang, Kinsey Darman, Devon Dearo, Anthony El Shama, David Espinosa, Jaden Folk, Malachi Harris, Joshua Herrera, Ryan Hill, Parker Krieg, Jaden Levario, Jordan Pacheco, Evelyn Palominos, Caleb Rose, Casey Scannell, Alexis Silveira, Jirag Soal, Hannah Stapleton. 8th grade first semester honor roll January 29th, 2021. Principals Award 3.5 to 3.99. Daniela Aguilar Munoz, Marcela Acquarty, Sydney Albin, Bree Arnhart, Jade Arriaga Guillardo, Jeremy Brion, Allison Cabrera Santos, Evan Klink, Marissa Di Napoli, Luke Elliott, Yair Galan Lopez, Brandon Gonzalez, Janie Carolina Goya Lepe, Matthew Hawley, Arjun Keshba Kumar, Kyle Leisher, Reina Lorono, Anikan Laura, Jaden Mann, Diana Marabian, Jamie Mercurio, Melanie Mojica, Zachary Percini, Jaden Perez Guerrero, Dylan Portier, Emma Posas, Isai Prickett, Wilfredo Rapallo, Marco Rivera Ochoa, Ryan Romero, Talab Sabla, Evan Sabo, Alexandros Stoev, Stephanie Torres, Neil Van Keulen. Superintendent Awards 4.0, Bianca Appleby, Tristan Assad, Drew Barreto, James Betancourt, Isaiah Brown, Elroy Neron, Buen Viaje, Emma Berkey, Yeira Sedona Rendon, Nicolette Setani, Bode Chester, Emma Cinco, Kathleen Clement, Alexander Denenberg, Alondra Dominguez, Mariam Farouki, Dane Flores, Alexander Francis, Amanda Furlich, Naimer Gill, Jenna Giordanengo, Adia Grant, Thomas Gwinnett, Ava Harper Fonseca, Jessica Hannigan, Jewel Hannigan, Selena Herrera Alvarez, Neil Keller, Ryder Kirk, Haley Kissy, Jada Lamar, Paola Ledesma, Song C. Leonge, Sabrina Lim, Jasmine Lopez Pacheco, Leslie Lopez Pacheco, Austin Lore, Kendall Lore, Imad Maskud, Riley Muriel, Evan Myers, Molly Paul, Marisela Pay, Ashley Peterson, Alyssa Rea, Cassandra Real, Elizabeth Richardson, Makoa Robles, Ty Sunberg, Jamie Sototo, Solomon Singleton, Maggie Stoneking, Gracie Strongberg, Savanar Tra, Sophia Van Sinderen, Trista Weeks, Kiefer Worth, Alana Yamat.
I always love having our raffle each time we have an honors assembly, and this honors assembly is no different. I took all of your names and I put them into a website that generated your names randomly, and I chose the first 3 who came up. The first student who receives a $25 gift card to Target is Marco Barrera Ruales. Congratulations, Marco. The second student who receives a $25 gift card to Target is Caleb Rose. Congratulations, Caleb. And finally, the third student who receives a $50 gift card to Target is Austin Lohr. Congratulations, Austin.
So, this is your brain. Say hi. Okay, it's a representation of your brain. Brains don't have hands, they have lobes and other structures, which we'll get to. But I want to talk to you about your brain. You see, your brain is capable of incredible things. But I think a lot of times we can feel pretty down on our brains, on old Thinky Pinky here. We beat up on them, say bad things about our brain's abilities. Say we have trouble understanding a subject in school, or solving problems, or learning a new skill. It's easy to say, oh, I'm not smart. I'll always be this way. Hey, stop doing that. What we think of as intelligence, what we think of as smartness, is not fixed, is not stuck in one place, is not permanent. Your brain can improve. Your brain can grow. Come with me on a journey of discovery. Here we go. Into the brain. Excuse me, coming in hot. This is a thing called a neuron. Oh, hey, welcome to the inside of your brain. A neuron is a brain cell. There's over 100 billion of these things making up your brain. Put it this way, there are over 13 times more neurons in your skull than there are human beings on Earth. A lot of them. They're the cells that help you think. Mind you, a single neuron, and let's call her Nellie. Hi, Nellie the neuron. Nellie, on her own, can't do all the thinking your brain needs to even pick up a glass of water. Fortunately, she's got friends. There's Dendrite Dave, there's Alonzo the axon, there's Magna Myelin, and look, little Sally Synapse! So teensy tiny. Your brain behaves like a muscle. If you're serious about lifting weights, right, and you keep it up on a regular basis for a long period of time, weeks, months, years, you're going to develop muscles. But you don't grow muscles by doing nothing. It takes effort. It takes struggle, repeated failures, in fact. You mess up, and then you learn, and then eventually you manage to jump the log or whatever problem you're trying to solve. Wait, we've lost focus here. Back to neurons. When you struggle, your neurons are struggling too, and that's important because when neurons struggle, they lean on each other. They make connections. They start to form this densely connected network inside your brain, allowing little jolts of electricity to pass down them more and more efficiently. That's thinking faster. That's your brain getting smarter. That's your brain muscle getting swole, kid. So the next time you say to yourself, I can't do this, I'm just too dense, remember that brain density is your friend. In fact, the denser you are, the more connections between Nellie and her neuron pals that you've got inside your brain, the stronger and more powerful your thinking parts become. The more you work through your frustrations with the right learning strategies, the more your neurons get more used to working together, the closer you are to being that much smarter. Now get out there and do your best. Don't give up, grow those brains, and remember, you can learn anything.
Well, congratulations to everybody. And we want to thank those of you who worked so very hard this semester and put your whole heart into figuring out virtual learning and making sure that you had your assignments complete and you studied for your assessments. Please remember, all of you can make honor roll. It just takes perseverance. Make sure that you're reaching out to your teacher if you need support. If you have any missing assignments, make sure to work on getting those completed. We look forward to honoring you next time. Have a great day, Bobcats.